This thing is going to get dust and mites out of your mattress and your couch that a vacuum cannot get out. The display has this ring that will start to turn red depending on how much dust and mites and junk it's pulling out of your couch or your mattress. So if it does start to turn red, you want to hold it in that spot until that ring starts to go back to blue. That means it got it all out. It also simultaneously uses a UVC light. This is highly effective for killing bacteria, viruses, microorganisms because it completely destroys their DNA. On top of that, it also uses heat up to 150 degrees. So not only is it sucking up all these teeny tiny dust particles, it's also killing anything it could have left behind. And then the icing on the cake is the aromatherapy tablet that you get included with your vacuum that you just pop in right here, and it gives off a beautiful ocean breeze scent. While I was slightly concerned how dirty everything still was, it's nice to know that it's not there anymore. So I'm gonna link this one down below in this video for you guys.